our people and their diverse experience, expertise, background, and beliefs set us apart, power our progress, and enable our success. We aim to create an environment where everyone can feel proud to be a part of the team and deliver their very best. This means matching exceptional people with a range of exciting roles. In order to do this, our recruitment process is as straightforward as possible with consistent communication throughout.
The first thing you want to do is explore opportunities. You can do this by going to careers.woodplc.com and searching by either location or keyword. Once you've found the opportunity that matches your skills and experience, go ahead and hit the Apply Online button. That'll prompt you to create a profile. A profile is a convenient jumping off point for you to track the status of your application, but also apply for multiple positions, now or in the future. Once you've created your profile and submitted your application, you'll receive a confirmation email.
When you set up your profile, you will receive login details. You can log into the system at any time to check the progress of your application. Each role advertised has a designated recruiter and hiring manager. They are responsible for reviewing each application and providing details via email notifications. A member of our recruitment team may reach out to you throughout the process to clarify information regarding your application.
If selected to attend interview, a member of our recruitment team will be in touch to schedule and provide any information you may need to prepare. Your interview could take place face-to-face, over the phone, or via video. We suggest that you do some research on Wood. Our social media and the company website are a great resource. Make sure you have all the information you need. If a video interview, set up your webcam, check your microphone and audio ahead of time to make sure that everything works as it should. If in person, make sure that you familiarize yourself on how you will get to the venue. Please ask any questions that you may have. It is just as important to us that you leave with a sense of what joining Wood looks like for you.
Once everyone selected has been interviewed, the hiring team will make the decision on how to proceed next. You will receive feedback on the outcome of your interview and will be guided on the next steps. For certain roles, a further interview or conversation may be arranged. If successful, congratulations! A member of the team will get in touch and a formal offer will follow over email. If any questions, please do not hesitate to contact your recruiter. They will be happy to help.
Once accepted, your onboarding activities will begin. You will be asked to provide some information. In turn, we will give you everything you need to ensure you are ready to go on day one. The recruitment process is an opportunity for you to get to know us as much as for us to get to know you. We look forward to meeting you.